Hello everyone, today we are going to study what is data handling. See, data handling means what? Means you have to just calculate the data, or you have to take any survey, or you have to manage the data. At the time data handling is used. For example, आपको कोई सर्वे कर लेना है आपकी स्कूल में। सपोज़ एक एग्ज़ाम्पल हम लेते हैं, आपकी स्कूल में आपकी क्लास टीचर आपके जैसे अटेंडेंस का रिकॉर्ड रखती है कि कोई एक स्टूडेंट है, सपोज़ वो स्टूडेंट का नाम है कृष्णा। सो कृष्णा कितने दिन तक प्रेजेंट था, कितने दिन तक अब्सेंट था, कितने दिन लीव थी, ये सारा जो रिकॉर्ड है, कितने दिन वो यदि बीमार था तो उसने कितने दिन तक उसका अब्सेंटी प्रेजेंटी का एप्लीकेशन दिया है, ये सारा जो रिकॉर्ड मैनेज किया जाता है, इसे क्या कहते हैं? डेटा हैंडलिंग। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द data handling? The definition of data handling: data handling is the way in which data can be represented graphically to give a clear idea of what it represents. It is easier to interpret and organize data using pictorial representation. Data handling includes bar graph, pictograph, and telemarks. I think pictograph and telemarks you have already studied in the third grade. Now you are in the fourth grade and you are having bar graph in your syllabus. So we will start with what is bar graph. It is the way of representing data visually. Bars are of uniform width and can be drawn horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. The length of each bar represents the given number frequency. Now see here, हमें जब भी डेटा को विजुअली प्रेजेंट करना है, सिर्फ जो हम देख के बता पाए कि इसमें क्या क्या है, कौन अप है कौन डाउन है, क्या फ्रीक्वेंसी है, ये सब हम कैसे पता कर सकते हैं? बार ग्राफ से। ओके, और बार ग्राफ को बार्स में ये जो ग्रीन है, जो पूरा एक पूरा एक जो स्क्वायर है, इसे जो पूरा ऊपर तक बनाया है, इट इज़ लाइक अ रेक्टेंगल यू कैन से एंड स्क्वायर एट टॉप, ये जो पूरा बनाया हुआ है ये क्या है? बार है। ओके, ग्रीन, देन येलो, देन ऑरेंज, ब्लू, पर्पल, दीज आर द बार्स। ठीक है, और ये सब में यू कैन नोटिस वन थिंग कि इनका जो साइज है, जो विड्थ है, जो ये सेम है सभी में, ओनली देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस इन द हाइट ऑफ ईच बार। ठीक है, और ये कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? ये एक स्केल है, इस स्केल पे फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, उसी से हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं कि कौन सबसे ज़्यादा है, कौन सबसे कम है। ओके, now what are the parts of the bar graph? See here, it is the scale, it is x-axis, this scale is y-axis, and these are the bars. Okay, scale, first one is y-axis, this वर्टिकल लाइन, ये जो सिर्फ वर्टिकल लाइन होती है जिस पे स्केल टाइप से बना हुआ है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? वाई एक्सिस। ये जो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है जिस पे सारे बार्स बने, दिस ब्लैक कलर लाइन, ओके, दिस ब्लैक कलर लाइन, ये एक्स एक्सिस है। थर्ड वन इज बार्स, दिस रेड बार्स, ये जो रेड जो पूरे स्टैंडिंग है ना, पिलर्स टाइप, ये क्या है? बार्स। और फोर्थ वन इज स्केल, दैट इज सेम एज वाई एक्सिस। ओके, नाउ what are the definition of parts of a bar graph? Y-axis, the line on a graph that runs vertically up down through zero. It is used as a reference line so you can measure from it. X-axis is the line on a graph that runs horizontally left to right. through 0. It is used as a reference line so you can measure from it. Third one is bars. They can be horizontal or vertical. Bars of a bar graph are used to show how large each value is. And the last one is scale. A scale on a graph is what we use to measure the distance between the given coordinates. Okay. Now, it is the example of bar graph. There are some chocolates which are distributed on Monday. Suppose in your school there is a program on Monday like Independence Day or Republic Day or any other day, special day. Okay, so some sweets are distributed, and in that sweets there are chocolates. Okay, so which chocolates are distributed? You can see here. First one is Coffee Crisp, second is Snickers, third is Mars, fourth is Twix, fifth is Bounty, and the last one is Kit Kat. Okay. Now these are the number of sweets that are distributed. Okay. Now what is the question here? It is easy to answer this question from a graph. There is only one set of data on this graph. Okay. So what is this? What is the most popular sweet bought on Mondays? Okay. It is the sweet which is bought on Monday, and you can see here Mars is the highest uh, uh, tower or highest bar in whole this bar graph. Okay, it is the highest bar, so its number is near about 15. So Mars is the answer. Okay, now this is one more example. You can see here. Read the adjoining bar graph showing the number of students in a particular class of a school. See here, 1 unit length equals to 10 students. So what is the scale of this graph? Now what is this scale? It is here, you can see 1 unit length equals to how many students? 10 students. Okay. Now second question is, how many new students are added every year? You can see here total 10 students are added every year, because here it is 30, in 2001 it is 40, in 2 it is 50, and in 3 it is 60. So we can say that 10 students are added every year. And the last question is the number of students in the year 2003 twice that in the year 2000? Yes, it is. How? In 2000 there were 30 students. In 2003 there were 60 students. So 32 is 60. Yes, it is twice. Twice of what? Twice of number of students in the year 2000. Okay. Now this is the exercise. This is in your splash book on the page number 122. You had to draw the bar graphs of the following students. Okay. See, the question is the marks obtained by 15 students in a language test. See, there are total 8 marks obtained by 1 student only, 9 marks obtained by 3 students, 10 marks obtained by 2 students, 11 marks obtained by 4 students, 12 marks obtained by 1 student, and 13 marks obtained by 4 students again. Okay, so marks you have to represent on the x-axis, and the number of students you have to represent on the y-axis. We will see this bar graph here, and you can see on the y-axis we are mentioning the number of students. There is a reference point 0, and on x-axis we are representing the marks, and 1 2 3 4 5 it is the scale. Okay, and it is in the number of students. Okay, and these are the marks 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here you can say 8 marks are obtained by how many students? Only 1 students. So 8 and the bar is up to scale 1. 9 marks obtained by how many students? 3 students. So 9 and the scale is up to 3. Now 10 marks obtained by 2 students. So 10 and it is still the 2. 11 marks by 4. So it is still 4. 12 again only 1 student. So it is up to 1, and 13 by 4 students. Okay. Now the next one. The number of different types of books in a library is, it is the types of books: comics, novels, poetry, short stories, and the plays. And the number of books are 250, 200, 100, 50, and 150. Okay, so the types of books you have to mention on x-axis, and the number of books you have to mention on the y-axis. You can take the screenshot or pause the video, and then you can solve it in your notebook. Now it is the second one which you have to solve it in your notebook, classwork copy. Okay, types of books are comics. See, we have mentioned number of books on the y-axis and types of books on the x-axis. So the first book is comics, 215 number. Okay, so comics we raised the bar up to 250. Novels 200. Novels we raised the bar of novels up to 200. Poetry only 100. See this poetry bar we have raised up to 100. Short stories it's very less, that is 50, and plays 150. Okay, so it is the bar graph of the number of books and the types of books. You can pause the video here and complete it in your notebook. Okay, one thing you have to remember is the breadth or the horizontal means ये जो इसका ये जो है ना ओनली द लेंथ वरी होनी चाहिए, लेकिन जो ब्रेथ है ये सेम रहनी चाहिए. ठीक है, ये जितनी चौड़ाई है हॉरिजॉन्टली ये जो है ना सब कुछ सेम रहना चाहिए. ठीक है. नाउ इट इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. द स्टॉक ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स इन अ ग्रोसर्स शॉप. तो एक ग्रॉसरी की शॉप है, वहाँ पर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड ग्रेन स्टोर किए हैं. सपोज यू गो टू रिलायंस, डी मार्ट और बिग बाज़ार और एनी अदर शॉप और एनी अदर लोकल सुपर मार्केट है ना, तो वहाँ पे सारे फूड ग्रेन्स होते हैं. ठीक है, तो राइस, वीट, बाजरा, जौवर एंड ग्राम, ये सारे 5 फूड ग्रेन हैं. ठीक है, ये सारे की सारे जो टोटल 5 फूड ग्रेन्स आर देयर. फर्स्ट इज राइस, दैट इज चावल. वीट मीन्स गेहूँ. बाजरा मीन्स बाजरा. जौवर मीन्स ज्वारी. एंड ग्राम मीन्स दैट इज चने. ओके, नाउ नंबर ऑफ सेक्स टोटल कितने होते हैं वहाँ पे? राइस के कितने हैं? 40. वीट के 30 है. बाजरा के 10 है. ज्वारी के 20 है और ग्राम के 10 है. ठीक है, तो आपको जो टाइप्स ऑफ फूड ग्रेन है उससे आपको कहाँ मेंशन करना है? एक्स एक्सिस पर. और नंबर ऑफ सेक्स है उसको कहाँ मेंशन करना है? वाई एक्सिस पर. ठीक है, सो आप इससे आप कैसे बनाओगे इसका बार ग्राफ? यहाँ पर देखिए, आपको 10-10 का स्केल लेना है. 0 इज द रेफरेंस पॉइंट एंड 0 इज द पॉइंट वेयर एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस जो है वो मीट करती है. ठीक है, दे आर मीटिंग एट अ पॉइंट 0. ठीक है, फिर 10-10 का स्केल लिया. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. And different types of food grains are rice, wheat, bajra, jowar and gram. Okay. So राइस का देखिए कितना है 40 सैक से. सो इसे हमने इस बार को लिया 40 तक. देन वीट है, वीट को हमने लिया 30 तक. बाजरा है, बाजरा को हमने लिया 10 तक. जोवर है, जोवर को लिया 20 तक. एंड ग्राम है, इसे हमने लिया 10 तक. ओके. Now it is question number B in your splash book. In the exercise 1, there is only a single exercise in this chapter. Okay, so question number B is given below is a bar graph showing the number of different types of vehicles in a parking lot. Study the graph carefully and answer the questions given. You can see here these are the different types of vehicles on the x-axis. It is auto rickshaw, bike, car, van, jeep, है ना? And the number of vehicles are on the scale of 2 to. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And it is on the y-axis and types of vehicles are on the x-axis. Okay. So the question here, first question is which vehicle is the maximum in number? So here you have to see which graph is highest. Is it bike? Yes, bike is highest up to 10. So bike. Answer is bike. Okay. Now the next question is how many more cars are there than vans. Okay. See, cars का कितना वैल्यू है 6 एंड vans का कितना है 4 है ना. So van is 4, cars is 6 and if we subtract 6 minus 4 you will get 2. So 2 cars are more than vans. Now the third question is which vehicle is the least in number? We can see ये जो ऑटो रिक्शा है ये सबसे कम है, सबसे छोटा बार है इसका. पूरे बार ग्राफ में इसका जो बार है सबसे छोटा है. So auto rickshaw is only 2 in number and it is least in number. Okay. And the last question is how many more bikes are there than jeeps? See, bikes are total 10 and jeeps are 8 है ना. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. So 2 bikes are more than jeeps. Okay. So pause this video and complete this question and this exercise in your notebook. Okay. Thank you. Bye.